guys, welcome back again in this video. I know that most of you are watching my videos just because of that. Those students who are preparing for the English conversation, definitely you can learn more in this video, from this video, and I all might try to give you the best that I can and the best content that I deliver you. And my all motive is behind this video to make this video is about those aspirants who has seeking you want to seek a learning a new language. It could be English, it could be Spanish, it could be Japanese, it could be French, it could be anything about it. But in this particular video that I'm talking about English, you all know that. So English is not very big language, or what is exactly I am telling you in all my previous videos. If you haven't seen it, just go to the previous playlist of that videos. You will definitely find more about it. Now come back to this, what I'm talking about in this particular video. It is about those aspirants who definitely want to learn it, but you know what the problem is, that they forget how to construct the sentences. And if they able to construct the sentences, then the next problem is that they are trying to think in Hindi or whatever their vernacular language. They started to translating it. Just to stop translating it, okay? Stop right now translating into English to Hindi, and then to answer, reply, or because that will delaying, right? It takes some time to translate in English to Hindi, and then give the answer to someone if someone asking something. That was really not a good thing. What you have to do in that particular way, when someone asking you something and you don't know how to reply it, so you just start to translating into your whatever your vernacular language, and then you reply it. I'm not saying that remember something in your vernacular language that could be not good. No, exactly not. My mean is that your vernacular language will be your supreme, your priority, right? But right now the situation are changed. You know what, I'm not saying this key situation would be changed, so you need to change yourself and just totally rely on that. No, language is like, it is a medium for the conversation, so it could be sometime different, it could be sometime different according to the places, according to the scenarios, but it doesn't impact on you. But how you can make yourself that you are more comfortable in whatever language. If you want to talk about, you feel confident and you can talk about more on any language that you have learned yet, and you couldn't feel anything, because this is not something like we are feeling it but we are not able to express ourselves. That will be not good for us, because we want some delaying when we translating it, and that was really feel bad when someone start conversation with you, that it doesn't impact good on you, right? So to remove this or to mitigate this, what we can do, right? The best solution that I found for myself and that I want to deliver you is about just start. First of all, whenever you're reading any books, anything in the content that you are the targeted your language, when you start to working on upon it, just try to think upon it, this language, and try to maximize yourself. Maximize means what? Maximize means try to maximize your limit as much as you can. Remember those everything that around you happens. It could be anything. Whenever you go into the market and you want to buy something, you just want to buy, and whenever you want to just whatever you work you are doing right now. But the thing is that you are thinking in English, in English or in whatever your targeted language. So just start thinking in English and do not translate into in Hindi, okay? Do not translate it. Even when you do when you take small steps and you are doing your work without translating, definitely I'm ensuring you that you definitely learning fastly, okay? You learn fastly, you observe it, that how much you are improving yourself. it is not one day 2 day process. I always told you that it takes some time. It takes some time. Have some patience, yaar. Everything will be done. Everything will be done. Whatever you want, you can achieve whatever you want. But the thing is that just give some time to yourself. Yeah, just give some time to yourself to understand what you want exactly and how you can balance it. Okay, so when you learn something new, it would be difficult for us to grab it and to work upon it, but for a longer period of time. But the thing is that we can do that. Definitely we can do that. At some point time has came when you think about like what I'm doing, I mean how I can learn it this way, right? This is really looking funny, but this is exactly working, and it's not only working for me, it's working most of the people's. If you are not believing in me, just go to the another videos and go another channels where you believe it. Just go for it, and you see they always told you that believe in yourself, be the confidence that you have. Just show your confidence with that language also, that you are showing in your vernacular language. That will definitely more help you out to understand those language, and try to understand. Do not when you see the contents that you are really working upon it, like you are learning in English, so you whenever you find the contents in English, if you are watching any kind of videos or shows, so try to use subtitles. Okay, subtitles will definitely help you to construct the good way of grammar errors and grammatical errors, and also that will help you to understand how to construct the sentences, right? So take help of that subtitles, and try to understand that how much I can explore in that way. Try to express yourself in the same way that he is as asking you, that he is delivering you. When you listen anything, and just start practice with the same way. When you start practicing with the same way, same time, just you also be able to express yourself in the same way, and that is the good way to learn English, right? Anything you want to learn, you have to put your maximum time with that language, and when you put your maximum time with that language, then you will definitely learn fastly. Okay, so that is how we learn any new language or any new thing. Whenever you want to learn, whenever you want to achieve something, you have to put your time on that. You have to give your time and just do that your work, and you see the results will be come in front of you. You will mesmerize when you see that how I can achieve it. I mean I just do it, all the things that I have that I have, and all these resources that I can learn English. I don't need any teacher for that. So that is the good way I think that I can definitely share you, that I wanted to share you, and I hope this will be helpful if you daily apply it. Without applying, nothing going to change, nothing going to be change you. If you really want to create some any change within you, just start doing it. Just start doing it. Just start practicing LSRW and work upon it. You will see after a month, after 2 months, you will see a drastic change that you have seen in your upon whatever you are working for it. You will see that you are improving it from your yesterday that you are. You know what, हमें हमेशा इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए अपनी खुद को कंपेयर करिए कि आप कल कहाँ थे एंड आज कहाँ हैं आप. Just do not compare yourself with someone else. Just compare yourself with yourself, the one you are, that you can compare yourself with your previous one and today what you are. Okay, so just when you will start doing in this direction, you will achieve whatever you want. Whatever you have set it for your goal, you will achieve more easily. That will definitely help you. I think I tell you so much. I'm not expert in that, but whatever I can help you, I just try to help you, and however I learn this way. So that is why I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. That will definitely help you so much, and you have to work upon it. Then you will see the results will come out in front of you, and you will mesmerize it. So we will meet soon in the next video with the interesting ideas. So let's tata, bye bye, and we will meet soon in the next video.